Hey everybody, hope you're having a great Kangoo Jumps day, and I hope you're enjoying your Kangoo Jumps as much as I am. One of the challenges though that I am having is a creaking squeaking issue, and was just driving me nuts. And finally I think I've resolved the issue, very simple, with a paper towel, and I discovered it's in this area between the shell and the boot, and I guess with it rubbing against each other was causing the noise, rather distracting. So just got a paper towel and just put that in there like this, and it really is almost eliminated the noise. I don't really hear it much. So you'll just have to get this in a little better. But that's pretty much it. If you found a solution that's worked for you, please feel free to share that in your comments below. But this may be of help to you if you are getting that creaking, squeaking noise. All right, everybody, have a great day. See you on the next video. Take care.